Welcome back, beautiful humans. It's Jenna from Bami Art Movement Society, and I have another dance along and tutorial for you today. And we're going to be learning the Canadian Stomp. This is a really fun routine, pretty quick in the footwork. So just make sure that we are doing it at a pace that works for us. It's just that reminder, as always, that we're taking care of our bodies and we need to make the choices that work for us today. Tomorrow's a whole new day. Yesterday was another day as well. So today, at this moment, while you're watching this video, make sure you're making the choices that you need. All right. So when you are ready, make sure you've got a clear dancing floor to be dancing upon. Be aware of the surface that you're on and comfortable shoes, comfortable clothing, all of that good stuff. So here we go. Let's start learning our Canadian stomp. To begin, we are going to be taking our right foot and we're going to take our toe. We're going to go toe, heel, stomp, and hold. Repeat that on the left. Toe, heel, stomp, and hold. Repeat on the right. Toe, heel, stomp, and hold, and toe, heel, stomp, and hold. So I just demonstrated by finding that internal external rotation. Now, internal rotation in particular may not be the best for our hips. We want to make sure that we're always listening to our body. We can make things a little bit smaller. We can also make it parallel, meaning that we would keep that knee going straight forward no matter what. So we would go toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, and toe, heel, stomp. So again, decide what you need for your body. I will be demonstrating both versions throughout this tutorial. So just know that all of the options are there for us. All right, so here we go. Let's put that together from the top with our counts. 5, 6, and we go 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So we just have that weight on that left foot. We're going to walk ourselves back with the right. We're going to walk right, hold, left, hold, walk right, walk left, and up and up. So we're doing stomp ups there. So we're going down, up, down, up. All right, let's look at that second 8 count. Traveling back on the right foot, we go right foot, right, left, right, right. So keeping that weight on the left foot to find that balance. All right, here we go. Let's put those 2 8 counts together from the top. So starting with our toe heels. 6, and we go 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6. Back it up. Go right foot, right, left, up, up. All right. How are we feeling so far? I hope it is going well. I'm going to do that one more time. This time I'm going to demonstrate with the feet parallel just so you can feel that too. If you want to try it out, see what feels better for us. 6, and we go a toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, and a toe, heel, stomp to go back, 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 up, up. There you go. And that is about the tempo. Like I said, it's a little bit spicy, a little bit faster for us today. We just finished with our up, up. We're going to take a grapevine to the right, grapevine right. If you want to do a scuff, you sure can. If you want to do a touch, you could do that as well. We're going to take another grapevine to the left with a quarter turn over the left shoulder with our scuff. This time we do want to have a scuff or a hitch because then we're going to step on that right foot. So let's look at that. We just take our grapevine to the right. It goes grapevine right, grapevine left, and with that scuff. So as we are turning ourselves, we're going to make our left, right. We want to anticipate that turn, meaning that we're rotating that left toe out. So that way that's our rotation to make that quarter turn. And then we're ready to go on with our next steps. So let's put that together from the top. Here we go with our toe heel stomps. 5, 6, and we got a 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6. Back it up and back and back and walk, walk up, up. Grapevine right, grapevine left. All right, let's finish this dance off. We just did our last scuff. We're going to take 2 jazz boxes facing our new wall. Jazz box 7, 8, and jazz box it together. So our jazz box, if you've never done a jazz box or our box step before, cross your right foot over. Step back with your left foot. Step your right foot to the side and bring your feet together. Repeat that again. Cross, back, side, together. Now, I will say, because it is pretty quick on this one, we want to keep those steps nice and small. So if we don't want to do that full crossover, we sure don't have to. We can think more underneath ourselves. See how I'm just kind of keeping that foot more in front of my left foot versus crossing. Again, you know your body, you know how fast you can go, so you make the choices that you need. All right, here we go, friends. Let's put that all together from the top. Here we go, starting with the right foot. 6, and we got a 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, and a back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, like I said, it is about that tempo. So make sure that you feel comfortable with the tempo. Otherwise, find a new piece of music. You can do this exact same dance to all sorts of different styles of music. So make sure that you're finding the piece of music that makes your heart happy. All right, before we start dancing with our music, if you could just do me that big favor, completely free to you. If you hit the subscribe button, if you hit that little thumbs up or comment below, it helps out with the algorithm. It's just a way for these videos to be seen by more people, so that way I can continue to organically grow this line dancing community that we are starting to create here on YouTube with Bami Art Movement Society. So I have so much gratitude for you all, for everybody who has already subscribed. I keep hearing from so many people, so I'd love to hear from you all. Let me know where in the world you're dancing today, and maybe at what time of day too. I'm curious. Maybe we're morning dancers, maybe we're afternoon dancers, maybe that evening is that time that feels just right. So let me know in the comments below. All right, here we go. We're going to be doing a little aerial view of the footwork, so that way you can see those steps if that's how your brain works as we start to learn new dance steps together. Here's the aerial footwork for our Canadian stomp. Finding that external rotation version first. We have toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp. And we back it up and we walk, walk, up, up. Grapevine right, grapevine quarter, jazz box step, and in. Now here is the parallel version of the feet. Toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp as we walk it on back and a quick, up, up, grapevine right. Here's the quarter turn as we take those box steps, around we go and in. Here we go, starting with that right foot, and we have 1, 2, 3. Toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp. Back it up, quick, up, up. Take it to the grapevine and the left, and we box 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, heel, stomp. Back to the top. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and back, quick, up, up. Grapevine right, and the left. Box it up your way as you need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 2, quick, up, up. Grapevine right, to the left. Box it up. And we got a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe, heel, stomp. Toe, heel, stomp. And we go back, quick, up. Grape it up. Left, and a box. And box it up. Here's our parallel version. If you don't want to do that external rotation. Toe, heel, stomp. And right, left, right. To the right, to the left. Box 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Again, making those steps as big or as small as we need today. Back it up, quick, up. Take it to the right, left, and a box. 6, 7, 8. Toe, heel, stomp. Toe, heel, stomp. Again, finding the version. This feels better for me today, but every day is different. Like I said, up. Take it to the right, left, and a box. And 5, 6, 7, 8. You go toe, heel, stomp. Toe, heel, stomp. Toe, heel, stomp. Toe, heel, stomp. And a right, left, up. To the right, to the left, and a box. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Back it up. 2, quick, up. Take it to the right, left. We go in a box. We can also make those marches. So I'm going to show you that version if you need. Toe, heel, stomp, and 1, 2, 1, 2, up, up, to the right, left, and you can march 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So finding, again, what do you need today? 1, making sure we're breathing though, my friends, and back, back, quick, quick, up, up, travel to the right, to the left, and we step it out as we walk. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back, back, quick, quick, up, up, to the right, to the left, and we box it up and box it. Second time, 1, 2, in, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, and a right, left, up, up, to the right, left, and a box. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Walk it on back as we go right, left, up, up. Take it to the right, left we go. Box 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, stomp. Toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp to go back, back, down, down, up, up. Great job with our Canadian stomp today. Thank you all so much for dancing with me today. It is always such a joy and an honor to be able to share my passion for dance and brain health for everybody out into this beautiful, beautiful world. So again, so much gratitude and appreciation to everybody who stuck it out all the way to the end. You have no idea how much it makes my heart so, so happy. So if you are ready, you can always continue to dance along with me and check out that next video. See you next time, everybody.